Poor little boy. Snotty nose. Charlie, what are you doing? Charlie, big ears. Don't touch him. I don't want to wake the little devil.